So Fede, why did the Cold War make apartheid to last so long? Young Todd. So yesterday, Uwasange left an interesting comment about the conditions, the Cold War conditions, which maintained the apartheid. Young Todd. And for that, Asange, I appreciate you. Young Todd. So why did the Cold War make apartheid to last so long? Young Todd. So you must understand, Guti, apartheid happened in say Cold War. Young Todd. So I'm a Western government, more big in South Africa. About big from the lens of what apartheid is wrong. Webpacker from the lens of capitalism and communism, yabo. Because nobody knew what apartheid was a bad thing, yabo. But the conditions in South Africa didn't allow them to keep apartheid because makes up my apartheid. Who was to fill the vacuum? Who? It was the ANC government, and the ANC had amortized Nani, the Soviet Union, the USSR. Yabo. And the Soviet Union was a communist organization, as a communist country, yabo. So obviously during Cold War, it was against capitalism and communism, yabo. So for our Western government, apartheid was less significant compared to communism. They feared communism more than they feared apartheid, yabo. They hated the communism more than they hated the apartheid, yabo. So when the Soviet Union collapsed, the collapse of the Soviet Union led to the fall of the apartheid, yabo. So when the Soviet Union collapsed, the material conditions which had maintained the apartheid because they feared ukuthi kuzongena ama-communists mase yiwa the powerhouse of communism, the fear that they had bengasekho yabo, it no longer existed, yabo. So mase yiwa i-Soviet Union, USSR ngabo-1990, kuba easier for ama-capitalist countries ukuthi baze bazonegotiate nabo Nelson Mandela ukuthi iphele i-apartheid, yabo, because the boogeyman, what they feared was communism. Not they didn't see what apartheid was wrong. They knew what it was wrong, but they feared the communism more. So say Russia, kuba easy ukuthi ba negotiate nabo Nelson Mandela, baba polish ukuthi this is what you can have to accept, because nabo Nelson Mandela nabo abasanayo i-backing ye-Russia, the most powerful country in the East, yabo, abasanayo leyo backing. So kuba easy ukuthi baba polish into accepting any deal abayifunayo ama-capitalist, yabo. So into asange ayishoyo, or into asange angenza ukuthi ngirealize ukuthi the conditions, the Cold War conditions maintain the apartheid, yabo. But where I disagree no asange kancane is when athi if it wasn't for the fall of the Cold War, USSR bengeke ziphele apartheid. Lapho is where I disagree kancane, yabo, because even if USSR bengakhulapsanga, apartheid bizophela ekugcineni, yabo. But the fall or the USSR ibe alive for such a long time, maintained apartheid for the longest of time. If USSR yafola maybe ngabo 1960, 1970, maybe ngabo 1975, 1976, we would have gained our freedom, yabo. So I do agree with